Cheer. Da 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 da. Yo 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 yo. I miss you, baby. No one be like that. Be your mama, should love you, but she did. Tommy under why you make it bad. Be your love, you make it die. No mom, but it. Yo 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 yo. What up, people? How you doing? 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 Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, it's your boy John Blaq, the African boy. You know what it is. Yeah, boy. Yes, I'm here. Kubategeza nti abasinga mbadde mulowooza ono si John Blaq. Yes, John Blaq. Nasobodde osigaza Facebook yange. Yadde ebimu byagenze. Kyovula nateseeyo post ya Instagram nga mbagamba munfollow ku Instagram yange empya. Yes, naye era ndi wano n'okubategeeza nti n'enkadde we working hard. So temwewuunya nnyo kubanga nga nkikomezaawo Instagram enkadde. But for now, tujira tukozesaako eyo. Yeah boy, I love you so much. Thank you for standing with me in this situation. Si byangu, but everything will be alright if you believe in God, and I believe in God. Era namwe mbakkiriza mwempagi mwekisenge kwenesigamye right now. Yes, so I love you my people. I love you so much. Just mbadde nziza okubalaga nti it's me John Blaq, the African boy. Yeah, emabega kawo nagenda live Insta nali ngifunye. But olw'ensonga ezimu oba endala era situ ne bagihackinga ne bagitwala. Naye mbasuubiza nja kugifuna era nayo tujja kugiza mikono gyaffe, but for now katujja tubeerako kweri kuba nalabye nga siwabeera without communicating to my fans. That's why I decided to open up a new one, but I'm fighting for the old one also. So anytime soon temwewuunya nnyo nga nayo ngikomezaawo, because bw'oba nga okkiriza mu Katonda buli kimu kisoboka. Yeah boy, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Pause nature, I'm here to let you know I'm working on a couple of projects. Anytime, I think like next week, nja kuba ntayo project here, man. Yeah boy, I need you my people. Thank you so much for loving me. It's your boy John Blaq, the African boy. Yeah boy, just kyemba mumanya neri Instagram tujja kugiza, tulina okugiza nayo. Nena deso abera without communicating with my fans abali ku Facebook, ku Instagram. Yes, nagenda ko live naira ne babanya kugisika naye. I'm fighting hard to get it back. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm still living. Yeah, boy. I love you, my people. May God be with you. May God bless you. I'm working hard. Buli kimu kigenda terera. Buli kimu kiri okay. Kigenda terera. Tunyumirwe, tukube party after party, ate n'ennyimba ngenda zireeta. So, just wanted to let you know that I'm alright. Everything is alright. Facebook is in my hands, is in my control. Yeah, but still ekiba kiganya kyonna I'll still let you know, cause you're my people, you're my best friend. I love you so much. May God bless you. Oh yeah, boss. Then teseko link ya WhatsApp abadde bagala okujoininga WhatsApp. Naye abasinga saaza bali mugikirikinga ko tebakyasobola kubanga muda kigenza okwera dakika 3 nga group ejjudde. But I'll be posting another link. Mujja kirikinga ko mujoininga WhatsApp group to requesting ennyimba. Yadde mu buzibu bonna we have to be happy. Tulina okusigala nga moving on. Keep on requesting for my music. I'm alright. I'm alright. I'm alright. Let's request for the music. Miss Kasgaringa Azanya, no matter what. Yeah, boy. I'll let you know what's up. I love you. May God bless you, my people. Oh, yeah, boss. Nature music. New music is dropping anytime. Yeah, boy. Bye-bye, my people.